Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is KICKBOX Digital Camera Recorder. The video camera is useful to take the beautiful photos and share it in your YouTube. It can be used as webcam when the camera connects the computer. Please operate the camera button to choose the PC cam mode. When the AMCAP window is opened, from which shooting object through the camera will be showed on this window. You can have a video call with your families or friends. Please download the software AMCAP before use the webcam function. This video camera supports pause function, so you can pause the recording when you need, then continue recording again without starting a new one, which makes it easier for you to edit and upload the videos. This video camera included a USB cable. You can connect it directly to the computer to upload videos. This video camera included an AV cable. You can connect it directly to the TV to play back the videos. The camcorder comes with 2 NP-FE5 batteries. It allows you to keep recording around 60 to 90 minutes when it's fully charged. For the first time use need to charge more than 8 hours. The camcorders support the recording while charging, good to record long videos anytime. Our second best camcorder for home videos is KICKBOX Digital Camcorder. The camcorder supports the pause function. You can continue the recording in the same file without restarting a new one. And then you can download the video to your computer through a USB cable and then edit it before uploading to your social media. The digital camera has a webcam function. By connecting the computer with the USB cable, then choose the PC cam mode as a webcam. Please download the software AMCAP before using the PC cam function, then enter the video interface. This video camera Max supports 1080p AVI video resolution, 24mm JPEG image resolution, 3.0-inch LCD screen and supports 270-degree rotation, 16x digital zoom, built-in fill light, anti-shaking, face capture, beauty function, self-timer, webcam function, pause function, USB 2.0, TV output and so on. The camcorder is small and lightweight, portable for you to carry around. The camcorder can support external LED light and standard tripod but not support external microphone. Third in our list is Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam camcorder. For make it memorable with Sony Full HD 60p quality. Capture amazing footage in low light and control. Get close to the action with a 27x zoom, wide-angle Carl Zeiss lens and say goodbye to shake with steady shot image stabilization. It's the perfect starter camera. Create high-definition 1920 by 1080 60p videos and high-quality 9.2MP still images. Experience stunning low-light sensitivity with improved image clarity and drastically reduced grain with Sony's back-illuminated Exmor CMOS sensor. Designed for compact cameras and camcorders, the Exmor CMOS sensor relocates the photodiodes above the support circuitry, maximizing the light gathering area per pixel so you can shoot with better results in lower lighting conditions. Steady shot image stabilization with active mode compensates for greater degrees of camera shake to deliver stunningly smooth video from wide angle to full telephoto shooting. In addition, innovative 3-way shake cancelling adds electronic roll stability for even smoother video capture. Number 4 in our best camcorder list is Panasonic Full HD Camera Camcorder. Compact, lightweight and easy to use, the Panasonic Full HD Camcorder HCV180K brings a fun, worry-free experience to high-resolution video capture. Featuring a 5-axis image stabilizer for maximum handheld stability, this 1080p camera super long 50x optical zoom and up to 90x intelligent zoom quickly bring distant objects in focus. A convenient 28mm wide-angle lens allows you to fit more people and scenery into settings like weddings, reunions and vacations. An advanced BSI sensor assures low light video image quality, while Panasonic's level shot function automatically detects and compensates for distracting camera tilting. For added fun, the camera includes creative filter effects like 8mm movie, silent movie, miniature effect, and time-lapse recording, all easily accessible on the 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen. A 2-channel zoom microphone works in tandem with the zoom to ensure crisp, clear audio up close or at any distance. Our last pick is Zohulu Wi-Fi Spectrum camcorders. The camcorder can be used as a night vision camcorder for ghost hunting and paranormal investigations. It can be also used as a regular camcorder. The camera can perfect for mounting to tripods, and the wide-angle lens can record a better field of view. It provides you a more sensitive and smooth zoom experience for stable and smooth zooming of subjects. Let you capture your favorite images more easily. The 4K camcorder can be used as a night vision camcorder for night monitoring. Video camera can shoot exquisite and clear images with rich color and high contrast performance. The video effect is super ideal when you playback it on your 4K HD TV. It automatically compresses files when saving files, restores 4K quality when playing. Can be used as a webcam with UHD 4K resolution, and zoom function is available when doing live. Let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!